When it comes to dividing positive and negative fractions, sometimes they may look a bit overwhelming. For example, if you got this big foolishness here, all of this, it may look like what in the world is going on here? But that is just two division problems stacked on top of each other, or two fractions stacked on top of each other. Basically, I have negative 5/7 divided by 2/4. I already know that my answer is going to be negative because they're different signs. My 5/7 is negative and my 2/4 is positive. I am going to multiply straight across after I keep, change, flip. So, since we're dividing, we have to keep, change, flip. Keep it as -5/7. Change it to multiplication, flip it, and instead of 2/4, I now have 4/2. Now, I can multiply straight across. 5 times 4 is 20, and 7 times 2 is 14. Those are both even numbers, so I can divide the top and the bottom by 2. 20 divided by 2 would get me 10, and 14 divided by 2 would get me a 7. So my answer would be a -10/7. This one, they already give it to me in a way that is easy for me to just keep, change, flip it. I'm going to rewrite the problem. I always like to write the K, C, F underneath because it helps me remember what I need to do. Keep it, change it, flip it. Keep it as -7/9. Change it to multiplication. Flip it, and instead of 9/8, I now have 8/9. Now I can multiply straight across. 7 times 8 is 56, and 9 times 9 is 81. Let's see if I can reduce this thing. Maybe I can divide the top and the bottom by 3 or something? I don't know. Let's see. I should have reduced earlier. I like my weird reducing stuff. But both of those are not divisible by 2 because they're both not even. Let's see. Can I divide 56 by 3? I know that 3 can go. Nope, 3 wouldn't work. What about a 4? Will 4 times anything get me a 1 in the end? Nope. What about a 5? 5 times anything? Nope. 6 times anything? Nope. 7 times anything? Nope. 8 times anything? Nope. What about 9 times anything? Nope. I don't think we can reduce this thing. I think my answer is -56/81. Remember, they have to be negative because it is one negative and one positive. There's my answer. Okay, on this one, they already give it to me, just like I need it in order to be able to do my keep, change, flip underneath. I keep it as 1/9. I change it to multiplication. I flip it, and I now have 4/5. Multiply this thing straight across. 1 times 4 is 4. 9 times 5 is 45. I cannot reduce that, so I leave it just like that. 4/45. They are the same sign. Both of them are positive, so my answer has to be a positive 4/45. Last one. They're different signs. This one's negative, this one's positive, so I automatically know my answer is going to be negative. I'm going to write my 3/2 divided by 7/4. Now I can do some of that keep, change, flip stuff. Keep it as 3/2. Change it to multiplication, flip it, and I now have 4/7. Multiply straight across. 3 times 4, that's 12. 2 times 7, that's 14. I can divide the top and the bottom by 2. 12 divided by 2 would have gotten me a 6, and 14 divided by 2 would have gotten me a 7, 6, 7. So remember, it has to be negative because they're different signs. And we're done.